Hi, this is Scott Werner, and we are presenting a new offering to you. We are going to start doing group mentoring. 2 weeks ago, on December 21st, believe it or not, St. Germaine came to me and he says, Scott, it's time to start mentoring people in a group. And so I've been feverishly getting that ready for you. Basically what it is a 12-week mentoring program that we teach people how to develop a spiritual awareness and a further knowledge of what is expected of us in this incarnation to do and get ready for. And this is a part of what St. Germaine taught me just before I went to Mount Shasta in July, the end of July. He told me I needed to start individually mentoring, which we've been doing, and many of those mentees are already seeing, hearing, feeling, and knowing the Ascended Masters, which was our objective. And so we're very happy with that. And now St. Germaine wants me to spread that out and make it much less expensive by doing group mentoring. Now, the advantage of this group mentoring is not only do you get it for the price of approximately $200, if you make it in one payment of $197, you also get a free intuitive reading from me, which is to do with your health or other emotional, physical, different problems in your life, and we can give you the answers you've been looking for. So you're actually getting a value of a mentoring for 12 weeks and an intuitive reading for the value of about $200. Now, this is a great thing from St. Germaine. When he told me to do this, I was like, gee whiz, this is going to take a lot of time. And he said, no, it'll be worth every bit of time because you'll be helping people get ready for their ascension. Now, the great thing about this is we're going to be teaching you. I'll give you an example. Week 1, January 8th, is when we start out, and we're going to do a lecture about learning to pray, meditate, and manifest your dreams. So making things happen that you've been dreaming about your whole life. And the second week, we're going to be talking about knowing yourself, knowing your physical body, knowing how to detoxify and clear negative energy out of your auric field. Now, this is pretty cool because we'll be aligning the Ka, the Ba, and the Amakua, which is what they did in the Ascension temples in Luxor, Egypt with Serapis Bey. So, very important to know thyself. Now, the next week, week 3, January 22nd, we'll be talking about the ideal. What is the ideal that you believe about yourself in how you grow and develop and attaining the ideal? Now, the ideal is aligning ourselves with the Ascended Masters. Week 4, January 29th, we're going to be talking about developing faith. And faith is a very powerful thing that we all need to do. So we'll be talking about ways to develop that faith and make ourselves stronger. Now, week 5, February 5th, we're going to talk about virtue and understanding and knowing that these are spiritual powers, having a virtuous soul and understanding who we truly are, and that virtue is a defense and understanding is a weapon we can use to protect us from the dark. Now, as a weapon, I'm not speaking about something to attack somebody, but something to protect and nullify any negative energies coming at you. Now, week 6, we're going to be talking about fellowship, about developing relationships with others and making sure we are our brother's keeper. We are in fellowship with God. Now, week 7, February 19th, we're going to be talking about patience. Patience is another virtue, and patience helps us to tolerate a lot of the things going on and avoid getting into negative thought forms. So patience is a very, very important thing. You know, like a lot of us are waiting for the RV to happen. Well, we need to have more patience. And I'm not going to go into that because that's a whole other subject, but we'll be talking about patience. Week 8, I'm actually not going to have any class on February 26th. My wife actually asked me to take her to Hawaii on our anniversary, so we're going to be gone that week. And so we'll start up again with week 8 on March 5th, and it'll be the open door, and how to know how to open that door, know our Divine Father, our Divine Mother, and know the Divine Presence. Week 9, we'll be talking about being in the constant presence of God. This is very important because we're in the constant presence all the time anyway. God is surrounding us with His love all the time, and we are the ones who cut ourselves off from that. And so it's very important that we stay in the presence of God. Week 10 is talking about the cross and the crown, and what does the cross represent, what does the crown represent. And these are very important subjects because there's a lot of people who don't understand that when you come into the kingdom of God, and it's called a kingdom, you actually receive a cross and a crown, and we'll talk about that. Week 11, God and I are one. Now, this is a very important teaching, and when I learned Tai Chi, you know, I am one with the universe is one with me, I and the universe are one, and this is a very important teaching that we need to reiterate. And then week 12, we're going to talk about love, the power of love, the test of love, and the fact that God is love. And maintaining our vibration in that love gets us ready for the ascension. So for more information, email us at scott.healthlongevity.inc@gmail.com or call 435-986-0025. We're off today for New Year's. There won't be anybody answering the phone today, but tomorrow we will have people answering the phone. The cost is a one-time donation of $197 or 2 payments of $100, and you need to make full payment to receive your spot, and you can actually pay $100 to reserve it, and make sure you pay the rest by the end of January, or we won't be able to do this. The next payment will be due at the end of January if you're paying $100 and $100, and it's a total of $200 non-refundable donation to Health and Longevity. Keep the herb store going. That's where we're going to be holding the meetings. These will be on Zoom once a week, Tuesdays, 5:30 to 6:30, starting January 8th. Now, that's Mountain Standard Time. So if you're in California, that is 4:30 to 5:30. If you're in Central Time, it's 6:30 to 7:30. If you're on Eastern Time, 7:30 to 8:30. So we try to get it at a time that the East Coast won't be too late. Now, you'll also get that bonus spiritual intuitive reading, but it won't be available to even make a appointment until your second payment is received if you're paying in 2 payments. So I'd like to thank you for listening today. I'm excited about this because St. Germaine has a lot of good information coming through, and he's been teaching me every day. He's been, you know, him and Jesus and Mother Mary have been coming very frequently because I've had my own health issues, and they are helping me get through these and heal myself. And so just know that everything with the Ascended Masters is about self-mastery. And, you know, I'm just as susceptible to all the things humans have gone through, but I've been very fortunate in that I've been able to have an association with the Ascended Masters I'm getting ready for my own ascension. In fact, I've been told if I wanted to, I could ascend today. But I've got a lot to do because I've got to help you guys on the physical level and even help myself on the physical level. And I'm learning new stuff every day. So just know when you are in that association with the masters, you get help all the time, and it's incredible, it's loving, it's powerful. So thank you for listening today. I hope you join us on Zoom if you're out of St. George area, or come to the office and pay to have the mentoring right there in person. We're going to do it live every Tuesday night, 5:30 to 6:30 Mountain Standard Time. So God bless each and every one of you, and the great divine director wants me to give you a blessing right now. In the name of the Almighty Creator of the universe, we bless you that you will desire to get ready for your ascension. If this is not the time, just make it, put it in your mind and make it a goal for this new year of 2019. Because this is a powerful year for changing our habits, changing our bodies, and getting healthier, happier, and more gratitude and love. We bless you that you will have all of the love of the Ascended Masters, all of the love of the angels and archangels, and that you will start having experiences with all of these beings of light and love, and know that they exist, know they are there for you, to assist you in everything in your life. So be it, so it is, in the name of the Almighty I Am that I Am. We bless you. God bless each and every one of you. We'll hopefully hear from you soon. We can only take a max of 99 mentees on our Zoom account, so be one of the first and give us a call. Starting tomorrow. We're not there in the office today. Talk to you soon. Thank you.